It's no secret that healthcare and biotech shares have been battered in recent weeks as global equity markets sold off, and the slide in biotech worsened. With sentiment in the sector at a low, major moves to the upside are rare. Now, why are shares of Biotie Therapies rallying today?
Hi Jane, these days the smaller biotech names juggle clinical data, regulation, and tepid investor interest. While a return to basics may be hard to face, the industry is coming back down to reality. As for the latest action in the space, Finland's Biotie Therapies is rallying 90% on buyout news. New York-based biotech Acroda Therapeutics scooped up Biotie for $363 million or $25.60 per share. The cash bid will expand Acorda's therapies for Parkinson's disease. Now, the offer is a premium of approximately 94% from Biotie's closing price on Monday. Now, shares of Acorda were down 4% in early trade on Tuesday.
Acroda Therapeutics is strengthening its portfolio of treatments for Parkinson's. What does its latest acquisition bring to the table?
Acroda Therapeutics will be adding 2 more potential treatments to its Parkinson's treatments. With the Biotie deal, Acorda will get drug candidate tozadenant and SIN-120. Now, tozadenant is in phase 3 trial development. Accorda expects to file the candidate for approval in 2018. SIN-120 is in mid-stage testing, and it is in phase 2 development for Parkinson's-related dementia. Back in 2014, Acorda acquired Civitas Therapies, a pre-public biotech. With the Civitas acquisition came levodopa, an inhalable treatment for Parkinson's. Now expect phase 3 trial results to come at the end of 2016 and an approval filing for CVT-301 to take place in 2017. The aim of acquiring Biotie's offerings is to help Parkinson's patients manage episodes where medications stop working.
The capital environment for biotech deals may be in for a cold spell, but what's the financial outlook for Acorda?
Well, it's all about the data. The pre-public and small-cap bio names rely on data to carry them through to the next stage. With Acorda's acquisition of Biotie, it also gets 2 other assets. Now, it will receive royalties on European sales of a drug that eases alcohol dependency called Celincro. Acorda also gets an experimental treatment for a chronic liver disease. The Biotie buyout is being financed with proceeds from a $75 million private placement as well as a loan from JP Morgan. As for the Acorda's outlook, the company's forecast for net revenue in 2016 for its MS drug are higher than actual sales for 2015. Ampera revenue is expected to come in at $475 to $485 million. Sales last year were $436 million. Now, the company could see EPS growth in the new year. According to Zacks, research estimates call for double-digit earnings growth, with the long-term growth rate coming in at under 30%. Samsung Group and Biogen's joint venture has been approved by the European Commission. Benepali received marketing authorization. Now, this is an etanercept biosimilar referencing Enbrel and the first one to be approved in the EU. Biogen and Samsung Biologics have been working on a product that can be used to treat adults with moderate to severe rheumatoid arthritis. Now, Samsung Bioepis is also planning to get regulatory approval for the biosimilar from the US FDA, and this approval comes as Samsung Bioepis is gearing up for a public listing on the NASDAQ.